Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the following components are required to run this program, which is Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to bring up your favorite browser, whatever browser that you have in your Windows or computer. In my case, I'll be going with Google Chrome, okay? So just have to open your browser, and here at the window search bar, you need to paste a link. Okay, just have to copy this at the description box below since I'll be including this there. Okay, just have to paste it once you have copied it in the window search bar and then click on enter. Okay, so the moment you click on it, you would be redirected to the Microsoft.com website. Okay, where here you need to scroll down. Okay, and you can see there a four options which are Visual Studio, tools for Visual Studio, and Visual Studio Code, and other tools, frameworks, and redistributables. Just have to click this forward arrow, and the moment you've click on it, you need to scroll down, and there you would be able to see the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable Visual Studio 2022. Okay, now before downloading this file or application, which is the Microsoft Visual C++, please check first what type of system do you have in your laptop. How you can do that, at the bottom search bar, please use that and then search for info. Just have to type that and a system called system information will appear. Okay? Here, you need to go with run as administrator. The moment you've click on it, your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes so that you would be able to open the system information. Okay. Here you need to look for system type, where in my case I have the Time 64 based PC. Okay, just have to check whether you have the times 64 times 84. I mean, yes, 86 rather, and then ARM 64. Just have to check whatever you have in your system or PC, and then just have to select it. If you have an ARM 64, then go with it. If you have a Time 66, go with it. But in my case, I have this Time 64. Once you have selected the proper and the correct system information or the system type that you have in your laptop, you need to proceed on download. Okay, just have to click on it. In my case, I won't be clicking this anymore since I have downloaded this already. In fact, I have here installed in my PC, which is in the list of application already. Okay, for you to have a proof that I have already downloaded it. Okay, so it's a safe file that you could use and it will definitely fix your problem. Okay, once you have downloaded it, just have to wait until it will be done, and then you need to install that in your PC. And the moment you have installed that, please restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, there you have that. I'm sure your problem will be fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.